Hi, I am Mrs. Conianta Tanya Magnaya Jamentisa Jr. Also name as Mrs. Conianta Lanya Magnaya Quezon the First. Those person on my ear is killing me because of my father bought grocery and then they tends to kills me. The meaning of it is they is on a situation of they tends to put this family that I am a child on gipit na gipit because of they is gold digger. The girl gender that I not like for my baby is on this year 2025 killing. The killing portion is because I not like that person because of being gold digger. What they tends to do on my family that I am a child is gipit. The word gipit is as much as possible what is being it is they tends to get the what you call that saying that it is comes from them such that now the right eye of myself. The intensity of slap that of which is day is anger is intensity 1 to 10. The right eye says that is what they is aiming when it comes onto their child, and then they is uses black magic so that they could be attached to my baby. Ganun kapangit ugali ng babae sa tenga ko. Criminal. That is why I not want them. Gold digger they is. And then they tends to ruin my wedding, and then they wants to copy my wedding even though they is tends to ruin my wedding. That is how they is anger killer gold digger that wants to be attached to myself and Alex Jr. ko. I not want here Philippine criminal. And then what is being shown a while ago is my energetic, my happy feeling of which is enjoyment. They not want myself to be a happy person living on earth. That is their doing with on the use of black magic. The voice a while ago is Ann Curtis, then suddenly it turns on to Ate Michelle, and then from Ate Michelle it is being shown the kabit number 2, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri, of which is creation of situation so that my ear could be slapped because myself is being killed. This is as well a body movement of killing, slapping ear. And then Richelle Angelimentisa Sr. is killing me. Pervert. And then they, from that moment of myself talking, they is as well putting, talking to intensity of slap 1 to 10 is 10. On my food, of which is, they is does not as much as possible does not myself wants to eat, meaning to say putting on starvedness so that myself be dead. And then I am on thinking of being on diet, so meaning to say they tends to get of my intelligence, of which is they is killer. On this situation of myself, the person that does not want me to be sexy is Baboy Karen Talanya. You know the reason? Because they, as much as possible, they want to be attached. Such as on Jose Rizal map, because of I am college degree, accuracy, consistency, and then that is what they're getting, of which is I not like. I not socialize to them, and then they tends to get the intelligence from me. And then what they will just say is, para sa college degree ni Bibil. Oh my God. Grabe. myself 10 year on college, difficultness on studying, even the salary of my father. And yet you will get it? Intelligence of myself? Wow, lupit nun. After I say this, what they will say, that is what is happening unto you, but when the day is already on previous day, they will tends to do of such as repetitive hurting me to kill me. Ganun kabastos sila. That is what they is doble cara. They is killing me. The bobo camouflage short height is killer of family that I am a child. Truth is what I say. They is killing me. And then the bobo camouflage is killer. Bad person we did. Now, Baboy Karen Talanya is thinking of to put something on my mother. There is rice that is on my nose suddenly. Hayop kayo. Killer talaga sila. Bad person we did. I could feel the anger of the husband of Tita Evelyn. They is killer. Please help me. Married kami ni Alex ko. And then this process of Alex ko is not appropriate on my life existence definition. What is Alex Jr. ko is just doing putting Rachel Angementisa on high level so that myself be on a situation of manipulation. That is what they're doing. So it is such as Rachel Angementisa Sr. is on a situation of putting heaviness on myself so that myself be killed, be dead. At the moment they talk on my ear. I wish talaga bad person be dead. the person that will be, well, oh my God, the Bobo camouflage is killer talaga from Taguig City. The bomb head. Why? Because at this moment, I just remember the girl gender being on fire, set on fire on school. The reason is such a bad person. What it is, this house on New Lower Bikutan, this house that my family that is residence or be own, they wants to put it on fire. The Bobo camouflage in here is criminal talaga. Grabe. It is uh it is not correctness if that bomb head is being dead. The Bobo camouflage. And then there is gold digger. I not want them. Akin lang baby ko. And then I am videoing myself because while I am eating, they is killing me, of which is they want to slap my ear so that I could have hypertension. Richelle Angelimentisa Sr. is on my right ear. Nakakadiri. Snubber is their voice on my ear. They is so anger on Catholic Church. They tends to kills me. Mother of Precious Cruz hindi ko. Iyo, meron kami Alex ko. At this moment, Rachel Angelimentisa Sr. is bullying me. She knows already that she will be slash head. Akin lang Alex ko. Iyo, meron Alex ko. Angelica, please help. The bobo ko ang fledgling scalar and then there is person assumer, not part of my life and then they tends to talk. Eh, I just only love one count of lover, Alex ang Tisa Jr. ko, also name as Manuel Quezon the first. I wish talaga the assumer over in this lover relationship destroyer, pukpukin niya yung nanay niya talaga. I wish talaga because of what they're doing is such as eroticness. They just getting my feeling. Ay, want at here at lower bikutan nakakadiri. Girlfriend na ni Alex since high school.